Now that you've performed the polymerase chain reaction and you've amplified the DNA, we need you to run a gel electrophoresis to match the DNA from the suspects to the crime scene. Meet you in the lab. Before performing the electrophoresis, we're going to add 10 microliters of our loading dye into our DNA sample. So when you're pipetting, you want to push down until you feel a little bit of resistance. Insert your pipette into your dye. Suck up 10 microliters and then insert it into your sample and pipette it up and down just a little bit. So we're going to add all of our samples. First the allele ladder, the crime scene sample, and then the DNA samples A through D. We're adding 20 microliters into the well. Do your best not to adjust the gel. Okay. After that, we're going to attach the lid and attach the electrode. You want the well to be next to the negative electrode, which is black, and the DNA samples are negatively charged, so the negative electrode will repel them through the gel to the positive electrode. Okay, we're connecting our points. And we're going to set it to 75 volts for 30 minutes. Notice that there's wires at the bottom of the box on both the negative and positive ends. Those are the electrodes. Once you turn on the voltage, you should see bubbles start to form on the electrodes. That lets you know that your gel is set up. You might also notice that there's fewer bubbles on the positive electrode. Within a few minutes of turning on the voltage, you should see the dye move from the well into the gel. Notice that after time, the dye migrates from the negative or black electrode to the positive or red electrode. Let the reaction run until the dye has moved 2/3 of the way through the gel. Once the dye front has moved most of the way through the gel, you can turn off the voltage, remove your gel, and begin the staining process.